Learn the names of Canadian capital cities. What is the capital of British Columbia? Victoria is the capital of British Columbia. What is the capital of Alberta? Edmonton is the capital of Alberta. What is the capital of Saskatchewan? Regina is the capital of Saskatchewan. What is the capital of Manitoba? Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba. What is the capital of Ontario? Toronto is the capital of Ontario. What is the capital of Quebec? Quebec City is the capital of Quebec. What is the capital of New Brunswick? Fredericton is the capital of New Brunswick. What is the capital of Nova Scotia? Halifax is the capital of Nova Scotia. What is the capital of Prince Edward Island? Charlottetown is the capital of Prince Edward Island. What is the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador? St. John's is the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador. What is the capital of Yukon Territory? Whitehorse is the capital of Yukon Territory. What is the capital of the Northwest Territories? Yellowknife is the capital of the Northwest Territories. What is the capital of Nunavut? Iqaluit is the capital of Nunavut.